These ones are smaller over here. Scared me away, but on camera oh, look at these little tiny guys on the sidewalk. So cute. Jeez, they're all different sizes here.
What's she wanting to get on the back or something?
Oh geez, the seagull over there. Yeah, in the back left. The seagull over there is trying to get closer. Gotcha, go there.
Huh. There's enough.
They're so fuzzy looking. He got one of the babies. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sweetie, he did. The seagull's got one of the freaking babies. He's over there eating it. Oh my god, that's awful. I mean, god. Yeah, listen to them. They're all pissed off. Oh god. Freaking seagulls. Oh my god, that's terrible.
Where's the seagull then?
He's way the hell over on the way on the other side.
He's got one.
Yeah, he's just freaking munching on it. Oh god, I don't like that. Poor little baby. Gee, there's so many geese, and how can he get away with it? He's freaking munching. Can you see it? I feel like